Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing my eyebrow routine. Typically, my eyebrows take about 5 to 10 minutes on a good day, and today is one of those good days. I don't time lapse this routine, so if you want to see how I tame these brows, then just please keep watching. Here are my social medias if you all ever want to follow me on social media. IG especially, I will be doing a 1,000 giveaway on my IG once I hit 1,000 followers there. So go ahead and like or follow me on Instagram. Jeez Louise. So I'm using this Chloe eyebrow pencil that I got one time in a BoxyCharm box. I've never seen that brand before, but I started using it one random day and I fell in love with the color and the skinny pencil, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows with that. It is in the color dark brown, and I'm going to list all the products that I use down below. It's literally 2 products. It is this eyebrow pencil as well as a concealer. Like, my eyebrows are not, it's nothing special about them. They actually hold a shape already, so it's really easy for me to fill it in now that my eyebrows have grown back. I did experience getting my eyebrows messed up by going to the nail shop one time, and this lady messed up my eyebrows, but now that they have grown back, it is really easy for me to fill in my eyebrows like this. So I'm just taking the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer, and I'm going to carve them out on the bottom and the top, and I'm just pulling the excess excess product down on my eye to make it easier to blend, yes, and then I'm also priming my eyelids. That's what I'm doing for eyeshadow. And I don't dip back into my brush when I tame the top. I just use the product that is already on my brush from the bottom, and I go over the top. And I'm using a dual-ended Eco Tools brush. One is like an eyebrow brush, and then another one is like this flat, dense brush that I use to blend out the concealer under my eyes and over top of it. As you can see, like, I'm not, well, that was just a cut, but I'm not fast forwarding this in any way, shape, or form. It literally took me 5 minutes, which I'm so happy about, because, like, your eyebrows, depending on if you have to draw in the shape or whatever, it can take a long time, and I had things to do that day, so, yep, it took me 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. And yeah, so I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. It's not really difficult at all. I'm just showing you all what I do to my eyebrows. Oh, and if you made it this far, I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what products you use when you do your eyebrows. I would love to know so we can exchange products. Sorry about the lighting. I'm noticing that it's going in and out, and I'm not sure why, because I need to figure that out. I'm not sure, but sorry about that. Alright, so we're down to the end of the video. I really appreciate all of the support. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. That's it. Good night.